Okay, y'all. So today I will be a chef. Yeah, it might sound weird, but I'm gonna try. This might take a while. Maybe 1,000 minutes. I'm kidding. I'll try to edit it. So I don't know. I've played this game before. I'm just trying to get 15 stars, y'all. I'm gonna do this one because I haven't done all stars. Yeah, let's do this. Grapes, grains, and olive.
Kalimera. Oh, this is perfect.
What
I
are
was
you
hoping to
saying?
get someone in time for the Panathinaea. Well, let's get you situated.
Let's
I've
do
got
this.
a lovely recipe I want you to try. Follow me.
Okay.
Now, Panathinaea is our largest festival. Athletic games, music, and of course, good food. That's where you come in. We'll start off easy. A triad of
You know what?
steaks,
Shut
grapes,
up.
grains, and olives.
That's
This recipe
okay.
tablet should have everything you need to get started.
Let me put these back in. Hold on, yo. I'm trying to make this video long. Let's see, my guy.
Oh, olive oil, prized among my people.
We don't need a lot of that.
We've used
Shut
it
up.
as prices.
One
You win a
of
chariot
thyme?
race during Panathinaea.
What is thyme?
You get 140
Hold on.
amphorae full of olive
Hold on,
oil.
yo. This. 1 spoon. 3 spoons of rosemary. Now what?
Add the
Olives and what?
Are you a fan of green olives or black olives?
There.
Perfect. Now, those will need to marinate for a bit. Did you know green olives are just black olives that haven't had
In
as
the
much time to ripen?
Where's that? Oh, over here? Okay. Oh.
Oh, the tools and ingredients for
Okay.
making pita are over
Let the
here.
mortane use the pestle to grind the. I don't know what that says. I'm not reading all that, yo. Let's see. What
A
does
mix of
that?
Z grain.
You better give me
Z is another
something
name
good,
for
yo.
farro, and barley will make a hearty pita.
Oh, voila.
Add a spoon of salt and splashes of sourdough starter,
Okay.
water, oil, and milk.
Chill. Ah. Wait.
In the mortarium, add a spoon of salt and splashes of sourdough starter, water, oil, and milk. Look at all these ingredients. We want about a 5 to 3 mix of flour to liquid. That's the ratio for most bread, and it will get us the consistency we want. Take your time measuring things out perfectly round and smooth. Wonderful!
Let me see. Nasty.
Smooth the dough until it's a round ball. Then let it rise.
Okay. Let me have this.
Oh, I
Oh.
get that.
Yeah, get that for me, big bat. Okay.
Fresh charcoal we light if added to the old
The
coals
coals in the oven. Okay. Chill. Yo, wait. Should I make another one of these? Yeah. Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna make another. I'll put the time like somewhere on the screen. Y'all skip to that, okay?
In the mortarium, use the pestle
Shut
to
up.
grind Z and barley grains into flour. It should be half full of flour after grinding. Add a spoon of salt and splashes of sourdough starter, water, oil, and milk.
It's so big. Oh. Yo, this is big. So crazy. Boom, boom.
That's starting to look like a
Okay.
pita.
Okay,
Fresh
now we can go.
charcoal we
Let me
light
have this.
if added to the old coals in the
Hey,
oven.
stash. Okay. Let me. I want over there. How do I get over there? Oh, I
Those
had
look a
to.
little
No!
pale. They feel undercooked to
Give me that.
don't you think?
Undercooked. You big back. Shut up. Here. Wait. Do I put it in there?
Split the dough in half with a knife. Roll it with a pin to flatten.
Okay.
Looks like the oven is
Yes,
hot
yes.
enough to start baking some pitas.
And Ooh. Oh. Oh my god. Y'all, I'm not gonna make any more, I promise. There's so many. Oh my. I can't let these spill, yo. Oh! Oh my god.
Put the pitas in the oven and close the door. Good. Let's let that bake. How are the olives coming along?
I don't know. Let me come check. That. Ew!
Pour off the marinade and put the olives in a small bowl. Remember
wait.
to serve the grapes too.
Come here and start.
Don't worry about spills.
What?
The pita smells perfect. Quick, don't let it burn.
Okay, I'm trying. Don't rush me. Okay. Now over here, I'm guessing. Okay, there. There. Oh, this is so stressful. Wait, no, wrong bowl. What am I doing? Oh my god! Yo, this is so stressful. Because I know there's a timer to like say how long you cook. Ooh, why does this look good? I'm not a big back, y'all. Trash.
The pitas are done when they are golden brown.
Yeah, you just said that. Bruh. Should I get the others? No. I'll do this for another video, y'all, by the way. Okay. You know what? Here. Yeah. Burn! What do I do now?
Place the meal on the serving table and ring the bell.
Oh, I gotta do this with all of them. Crazy work. Oh, y'all, I messed up so bad. I'll do this again, y'all. Don't worry. This is stressful. No. What is happening? Don't like this. Here.
What a wonderfully simple recipe,
I'm
but
not
so nutritious.
done.
Don't you think?
No. I hate the physics. Whoa!
Let's see how we did, shall we? Μια μπουκιά.
How did I get? If you eat this, you all big bag. You're gonna eat it. Let me have one. Why are you such a big bag? We're doing this for him? Oh my god. You can't be kidding me.
Not bad. This reminds me of when I first started cooking.
Okay. How did I do? Okay. 3.
Looks like you've got the basics down.
Okay. Bit more. Okay.
How about it? Want to try another
We can
recipe?
do this. We're gonna do this for a. Actually, we'll do this because I won't do part 2s, y'all. Maybe. Well, some days I will, but not always.
Lukumades, such a
Yes.
classic.
Hello. Now
We
let me get
sometimes
to
call
this.
them honey
Okay.
tokens.
Yeah.
They were given out as prizes at the Olympics.
I'll put 2 actually, because they're getting mad at me for no reason, and I
Grinding
hate.
flour from scratch
They're
takes
such a big
lot
bag.
of elbow grease. That,
Right, y'all?
A little bit of salt
Right?
can make a sweet dish taste even
Yes.
sweeter.
We want these as big as we can.
Maybe you want to go a
Shut up.
little easier on the salt?
Light work, no reaction.
It's so nice to have company. That looks perfect. Come over here, where I am.
Fresh charcoal. Okay. Here, what do I do? Quick charcoal. That. Okay.
Heat up oil in the frying pan until it boils.
Damn. That's enough.
Don't worry about spills.
Oh no, I'm worrying. All right.
Bring the large dough ball over to the pan. Scoop out, look at that. It's doubled in size. While you're waiting for those to fry, take a look out the window. That's Parthenon. We just finished it. A magnificent monument to the goddess Athena, the patroness of
Yo.
Athens and
Yo.
goddess of wisdom.
Yo.
Look
Yo.
a little pale. They feel undercooked to me, don't you think?
No, they're not undercooked. I'm doing my work. People are gonna love these. I'm so famous. Even though, like, I just started my YouTube channel and stuff. Y'all can't blame me. Okay, I might need more oil. Yes. Yes. Yes, y'all. Light work. No reaction. Is that all? Okay, there.
Let the dough balls fry. When they are a deep golden brown, move each dough ball to the plate.
Each. You know what, y'all? I'm gonna use the. I'm not Y'all remember what happened last time? It wasn't good. Oh, I just. Oh, wait. They're supposed to be.
Oh, look at that. They're turning a perfect golden brown.
Oh.
Let them cool a bit before adding the honey sauce so
What?
they'll be crispy.
Crispy. Shut your little. Okay, y'all. This is taking too much time.
Oh, they're starting to burn.
Oh, no. Did I burn one? These ain't burning. Yes. Look at those, yo. Doesn't that look good? Check this out. Are these gonna ever burn? Okay, this one's good. Finally. Y'all hurry up. Thank you, bro. Listen. Hurry. These actually look good though. What's spilling? I did not do that. Oh, is this okay? Finally. Oh, get it here. I did. Oh. Finally.
In earthen bowl, combine half water and half honey.
Wait. Oh. Oh, wait, I have another one. Okay. Mine, oh no, mine.
Honey, the food of the gods. Ambrosia. Move the pan aside and bring the bowl of honey mixture to a boil.
To boil? To boil! I don't want this anymore. No, what?
Oh, I'll get that.
Don't get it. We don't need it. No, I don't need it. Don't.
Use the spoon to dip each golden dough ball in the still hot honey mixture. When they are shiny, return them to the plate.
Okay.
Opa! I can't wait.
Yayas. Oh, wait. No. Yo, these... Chill! Okay.
Use the grater to sprinkle some fresh cinnamon on top of each dough ball.
Where's the... Wait, where's the thing? Oh. What does?
Perfect.
No, I... Return to kitchen.
Cinnamon's my
What are you
favorite
doing?
spice. Hey,
I
you know,
don't.
cinnamon bark used to be more valuable than gold.
No, it did not. You did that. No, I don't. Returning to kitchen, please. Thank you. You're gonna take... Oh, shut up. Okay, what is next?
In another bowl, add 1 part wine, 3 parts water, a splash of honey. When you're using the wine from the end of harvest, you always want to spice it pretty heavily. It makes it harder to tell how old and musty it is.
What do you want? Oh.
In another bowl, add 1 part wine, 3 parts water, a splash of honey, and a cinnamon stick.
Yo, chill!
Heat the honeyed wine until it's
Why
boiling.
is it so... Okay, yo, why is this looking good? Okay, wait, no. No, no. Okay, there. And that. And that! There! Tell you what's boiling. Okay. Here. What do you want me to do?
Serve the heated wine in a
Wait, what
Kilix.
is that? Where do I find that? What's a click? Oh, dit.
A Kilix is by far the best
Shut
way
up.
to drink wine. It's shallow, so it makes
What's
you want to
this?
slow down, sit back,
I'm
relax,
questioning you,
debate
bro.
some philosophy. All that
That's
good
what it's
stuff.
supposed to look like. You're so good. Yo, we're so good. Okay. Why do I want to eat this? Give me a 5 star.
Are you ready? Let's give them a try then. Shall
Yeah.
we? Yamas.
No, no. This stupid little thing. No, I don't. Just return. Okay. You big back, drink it. Nom nom nom. Let me take one of those. Literally me. When I have my food.
Gotta say, these are pretty good.
You're fat. Yeah? Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
Remarkable. You are really taken to this ghost chef job.
You gave me that? Unspeakable. I'll do this, y'all,
Ready
and
to
then I
try
might
the
end it,
last
okay?
ancient Greek.
Okay.
Oh, you're going to love this one. It's called souvlaki, roasted meat on a stick. Absolutely delicious. Great marinade is the secret to great souvlaki.
Okay,
In the
shut up.
mixing bowl,
I'm gonna hurry,
combine
y'all.
equal parts wine and as they say, enino alicia. In wine,
Can you
there
shut
is
up?
truth. If you ask me though, some of those truths might be better left unsaid.
Am I stupid, y'all? Or do y'all not know where that is? Oh, I am.
Wine and honey, I
Okay.
can't wait. Add spices
One
to the
spoon.
marinade. 1 spoon coriander, 2 spoons garlic, 1 spoon marjoram, 1 spoon rosemary, and 2 spoons of silphium.
I'm making a video, Paisley. Shh. What is this, y'all? Oh, wait.
Don't
hold on,
worry
no.
about spills.
I think I might need it. Okay, there. Okay, there. Let's start this over. What is it? One, 2, 1 spoon of this, 1 spoon of rosemary. Can you get out, Paisley? And then 2 spoons of these. Okay.
You know, it's been harder and harder to find silphium. I
Shut up.
suppose a high demand will do
Not
that to a plant.
okay.
Souvlaki can be made with any meat.
Oh!
But pork's my favorite.
Oh. There. Now what?
Add the pork cubes to the marinade and let it sit.
Okay. Get in there. By the way, y'all, for the first, like, short that I made, for part 2, do y'all want to, like, maybe, like, maybe, like, 100 likes and I'll go, actually, since I'm new, I'll just do 20, okay? 20 is nice. I would like it. I would really appreciate it, y'all, if you just did that. Oh, look at that. Oh. Peppa Pig's getting good.
In the mortarium, use the pestle to grind Z and barley grains into flour.
This is like the
It should be
100th
half
time we
full of
use
flour after grinding.
Done.
Add a spoon of salt and splashes
Ew.
of sourdough starter, water, oil, and milk. Hey, this sourdough starter's been in my family for generations. Never fails to make a good pita.
I'm gonna do this normal, y'all, because I really would. Good for you.
You're getting good at this. Fresh charcoal will light if added to the old coals in the oven.
Maybe I'll play VR chat, y'all. If y'all really want that. Okay.
Split the dough in half with a knife. Roll it with a pin to the oven is hot enough.
Okay. Y'all want just 2? No!
That's starting to look like a pita.
And I can say what I'm doing.
Put the pitas in the oven and close the door. Those look a little pale. Wonderful. Now, while that's baking, let's start a fire under the grill.
Okay. Oh, yo, this is a real workout. Here. Okay, done. Wait, what?
The pitas are done when they are golden fresh charcoal we light or pour off the marinade from the pork cubes.
What do you mean?
Put 4 cubes on each. Pour off the marinade from the pork cubes. Put 4 cubes on each skewer.
Oh.
I think the grill is ready for some skewers.
Sure.
You know, souvla is... The pita smells perfect. Quick, don't let it burn.
Oh my god, I won't. Chill. Oh, look. Oh, that actually looks nice. Now let me do this. Sorry, this might take a while.
Oh, that looks so good.
I know it does. It's not even sticking on there. What the heck? I don't think anyone actually plays this game. So this is why I'm doing it for y'all. Are y'all happy or no? It's like no one plays this game? No? Who are y'all? Oh, wait, you're not. I hope you are. Anyways. Jeez, I got that perfect. Look at these. Eh? And then eh.
Just listen to that sizzle.
Yes.
Prepare a kilix of what? So this particular kilix is called a Nai cup. It's got eyes painted on the outside, so it looks a bit like a mask when you drink
Okay.
from it. Place the meal on the serving
and then we're
table and ring the bell.
Okay, look. Oh, that looks good.
Whenever you are ready for me to try the food,
$100
just
bill.
ring that bell. No rush, I'll be patient.
I know. Because you're such a big bat. You want all the food.
Positively divine. Keep turning until all the pieces are done.
perfect.
Well, let's give this a little taste.
Yes.
It's fascinating to see how much these recipes have changed over the years.
Yeah.
Apparently, modern souvlaki is served with tomato. I wish I've got to say that's some pretty good souvlaki.
Yes.
I think you've got this recipe down.
Wait, really? 3! Okay, y'all.
You
Yeah.
completed all the Greek recipes.
I don't know if I even.
I knew you had it in you to be a great ghost chef.
My cooking is so bad, y'all. Ingredients are only 3. The recipe is 3. Fewer?
I can send you somewhere a little trickier.
Yeah, y'all. I'll do
How
this.
about you
for
try
part
Song
3.
Dynasty
Okay.
China next?
Yeah.
Looks like there's a lady who wants to pass on a few Spring Festival dishes.